Atlantic rolls and the wild winds blow. There's a beautiful place where the bold spirits go. From the historic streets of old St. John's Town to the towering fjords where the fog settles down. We've got icebergs floating on a deep ocean blue, and a warm kitchen party just waiting